Hello everybody, welcome to judicecentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you India's overall Olympic medal overhaul in the recently concluded Tokyo Olympics 2020. So let us start. So first of all, we will deal with you a brief overview about Tokyo Olympics 2020. This is the first time that India has managed to secure 7 medals across varied sporting events with 126 athletes across 18 sports disciplines. India had sent its biggest ever contingent to Tokyo Olympics. Indian athletes participated in 69 cumulative events across the highest ever for the country. India finished 40th on the medal tally. This is important. So the rank of India in the medal tally of Tokyo Olympics is 48. Its highest ranking in 4 decades. The previous best in this period was the 51st rank finish at Beijing in 2008 when India won 3 medals including Abhinav Bindra's gold. So what did we understand? So in this Olympics, India won a total number of 7 medals and 1 gold medal, including 1 gold medals, and its best performance was in the year 2008 at Beijing Olympics when India secured 51st rank. Mascot 2020. So let us know what is the mascot for Olympics 2020. The Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games mascot is styled with eye indigo blue Ichimatsu pattern from the Tokyo 2020 Games emblem, a tribute to both the respected tradition and modern innovation of Japanese culture. Mirai Towa has a personality. So the mascot of Tokyo Olympics 2020 was Mirai Towa, has a personality inspired by the Japanese proverb, learn from the past and develop new ideas. That's what the meaning of this mascot. Learn from the past and develop new ideas. Mirai Towa is cheerful and remarkably athletic with a very strong sense of integrity. It has a special power to instantly teleport anywhere it wants. So this is the mascot. I have also shared the image with you. Origin of the name. The name Mirai Towa is based on the Japanese words Mirai meaning future and Towa meaning eternity, representing the wish that the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games will lead to a future of everlasting hope in the hearts of everyone around the world. And now this is the Olympics medal tally. So the first rank holder is USA and it has won 39 gold medals, 41 silver, then bronze 33, and a total number of 113 medals it has won. Second comes the China with 38 gold, 32 silver and 18 bronze. Third comes the Japan. It secured 27 gold medals, 14 silver and 17 bronze. Fourth comes Great Britain. It has secured total number of 22 gold medals, 21 silver, 22 bronze. And then comes the Russia. It secured 20 gold and 28 silver and 23 bronze, and India comes at 48th position, in which it secured 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medals. A total number of 7 medals it has secured. Then opening and closing ceremony. So let us know who were the flag bearers for the opening and closing ceremony of Tokyo Olympics. Boxing great Mary Kom and men's hockey team captain Manpreet Singh being India's flag bearers in the opening ceremony. Bajrang Punia, who finished with a bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics in men's freestyle 65 kg wrestling event, was the flag bearer for India at the closing ceremony in Tokyo. Eventually, the president of IOC, Thomas Bach, declared the 32nd Olympic Games closed as the Olympic flag was handed over to France, the host of the 2024 Paris Games. So what did we learn? So now the next Olympic Games will be held in Paris and it will be held in the year 2024. And 17 days of sporting action came to an end with a memorable closing ceremony. So it was a 17-day sporting event and it started on 23rd of July and went till 8th of August 2021. Then we will be dealing with the medal winners, the 7 medal winners from India at Tokyo Olympics 2020. So the first comes Mirabai Chanu, silver 49 kg weightlifting. She was the first medal winner in Tokyo Olympics. It was Mirabai Chanu who opened the account with the silver in the women's 49 kg weightlifting category when she lifted a total of 202 kg, 87 kg plus 115 kg. The 26-year-old hailing from Nongpok, Kakching village at the foothills of Imphal East district in Manipur ended India's 21-year wait for a weightlifting medal won on the first day, ensuring India began with a bang. So Mirabai Chanu was the first person who actually won medal for India, and she belonged from Manipur. Then comes PV Sindhu, and she won bronze in badminton women's singles. PV Sindhu became the first Indian woman and the only second Indian athlete after Sushil Kumar to win 2 individual Olympic medals. The ace shuttler from Hyderabad beat China's He Bingjiao in 21-13, 21-15 to win the bronze medal in the women's single competition. So she was the bronze winner at Tokyo Olympics. Then comes Lavlina Borghese, and she won bronze in women's welterweight, that means boxing. Lavlina became only the 3rd Indian pugilist to ensure a podium finish at the Olympic Games after Vijender Singh 2008 and Mary Kom 2012 when she defeated Chinese Taipei's Nin Chen in the quarterfinals to assure herself of a medal. In the semi-final, she suffered a 0-5 loss to reigning world champion Busenas Surmeneli to return home with the bronze. The 23-year-old from Bar Patar village in Golaghat district of Assam won the first Olympic medal in Indian boxing in 9 years. So she won the gold medal after a long period of 9 years in boxing. Then comes Ravi Kumar Dahiya, silver men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling. Ravi Kumar Dahiya won silver medal in men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling. Ravi 23 became the second Indian debutant to win a medal at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics competing in the men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling. Dahiya clinched silver and became the 7th Indian to win a silver medal at the Olympics in an individual event. The Sonipat born grappler had to settle for the second spot after he lost 7-4 to two-time world champion Zavur Yugev. Then comes hockey, the Indian men's hockey team bronze. So this has been the notable achievement of India, as it has won this medal after a long time after it won a gold medal in 1980 Moscow Games. India men's hockey team, which was starved for an Olympic medal since the gold at the 1980 Moscow Games, claimed the bronze medal when they beat Germany in an enthralling match. It was India's 5th medal at Tokyo 2020 Games. So you need to remember that the Indian hockey team won this medal after defeating Germany by 5-4. Then comes Bajrang Punia, and he too won a bronze medal in 65 kg freestyle wrestling. Wrestler Bajrang Punia also in his debut appearance at the quadrennial event beat Kazakhstan Daulat Niazbekov in the men's 65 kg freestyle wrestling playoff to claim the bronze medal. Punia, who belongs to Khuddan village in Jharsuguda district, pinned Kazakhstan Daulat Niazbekov. It was India's 6th medal of the Tokyo Olympics, equaling their best ever haul at a single edition of the Olympics. And the last comes Neeraj Chopra. So in the last day of Tokyo Olympics, he won the gold in javelin throw. Neeraj Chopra became India's 2nd individual Olympic champion after Abhinav Bindra with his men's javelin throw gold at Tokyo 2020 a throw of 87.58 meter in the men's javelin final. He is also independent India's first Olympian to win a medal in athletics, track and field. So before that, none of the players have won a gold medal in Olympics in the athletics or track category. With his Herculean effort, the country surpassed the previous best haul of 6 medals without a gold in 2012 London Games. So in London Games also, India won 6 medals, but it didn't win any gold medal. But this has been the best performance of India in Tokyo Olympics, because it has also won a gold medal along with other medals like silver and bronze. And you need to remember that Neeraj Chopra actually threw the javelin by 87.58 meter to win this gold medal. So this has been the end of our session, and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till we meet the next time, thank you and have a nice day.